Hey everyone, I hope you all are safe in this pandemic. On behalf of whole GSET family, I welcome you to this video and insight upon online learning and new normal. I vividly remember the day before our second meet. Instead of completing the syllabus, we all were engrossed to know about postponing the exams. But there was one thing common among all of us. GSET क्या करेगा? Sunday the exams were cancelled and I swear इससे बड़ी खुशी की बात हमारे लिए और कोई भी नहीं थी. Our story starts from there. जहाँ इस अनाउंसमेंट के बाद स्टूडेंट्स खुशी से घर जा रहे थे, there was a new challenge in front of college authorities. COVID-19 and lockdown. एक तरफ एजुकेशन, दूसरी तरफ हमारी सेफ्टी. Then came this virtual online learning revolution. With new SEM came so many new platforms around us. I saw my friends from different colleges trying different platforms. कोई टीचर Zoom पे पढ़ा रहा है, कोई Google Meet use कर रहा है. It's frustrating. And somewhere deep inside, we also started preparing ourselves for the same. But well, GSET had already foreseen this, and they came up with one common online platform called Microsoft Teams. A small step for GSET, a huge relief for us students. Watch this video till end to know more about this, where students like me has been using this platform for a month now.
Online education can be seen as a complementation or complement in the traditional way of education. Well, ये statement सही है, at least अभी की situation को देखते हुए तो. Such platforms like we are using Microsoft Teams right now are very easy and convenient way of learning. These platforms provide us ease to study materials, join virtual meetings. You can even ask the doubts in the chat boxes and personal chats. Such channel-based workspaces where professors and students can have a seamless collaboration through chats and channels provide very effective communication. You can access these platforms at anywhere, anytime. You just need an internet connection. Especially in Microsoft Teams, you can schedule and join meetings. You can even set up your calendars according to the meeting agendas. So finally I can say, online education has become a lifeline for all of us, जहाँ पे we cannot even step outside of our houses.
In acquiring knowledge through exchange of ideas with peers and looking for information. By isolating learners from their peers and mentors might make them hesitate to establish connection with groups and communities. Online learning primarily requires us to hinge on to technology, which may not appear as a faithful companion in all situations. I guarantee that there is not a single person out there who might not have faced a technical snag, probably at the wrong time. Be it at the learner's end or the instructor's end, glitches can just drop in any time. Now to talk about India in particular, unfortunately there is this preeminent socio-economic inequality among the citizens in terms of getting access to quality products and services. This causes a major hindrance for the learners who are not well equipped with adequate resources to have a smooth online learning experience. Now while adapting to such new methods, it becomes slightly more difficult for our elders to upgrade themselves when it comes to operating electronic devices on a daily basis. So it's a real challenge for the elder people to get familiar to the functionalities properly.
Engineering is such a domain that is known to manifest scientific theories and laws in the practical world, thereby making our lab sessions of prime importance. इन्हीं लैब सेशंस में इक्विपमेंट्स को खुद ऑपरेट करके, खुद रीडिंग्स लेके, एक्सपेरिमेंट्स को क्लोजली ऑब्जर्व करके, the knowledge that we gain from these hands-on experiences cannot be compared and is highly critical for an engineer to be ready for the industry so that हम वो technical soundness deliver कर सके जो industry हमसे expect करे. Well, अब कोरोना काल के तहत हम घर बंदी है, मजबूर है, denied of practical learning and compelled to experience labs like watching YouTube videos. But can we stop? नहीं, because हमारे प्रोफेसर्स एंड लैब टेक्नीशियंस अपनी घरों की सेफ्टी से बाहर are doing their best to bring our own familiar labs to us so that we don't become the victims of this situation in this highly critical time and हम आगे बढ़ते जाएं. Now, despite the efforts put in by the faculties, यही interesting labs, owing to the platform, take to get boring.
हाँ, बोरिंग से याद आया, पहले मैं 1 घंटा सोता था, अब ऑनलाइन टीचिंग के बाद 2-3 घंटे आंख लगी जाती है. What I mean to say is, not each and every student behind that screen are equal definition to understand same thing at same time. Also, they are at their best comfort zone in their houses. Under such situation, their attention often get diverged from that screen. फिर हम कभी रिफ्रेशमेंट के लिए दूसरी स्क्रीन खोल ही लेते हैं. Behind closed doors, utilizing 5 to 6 hours screen time in front of same screen often make things quite tedious and unpleasant for students. We all, each and every branch, has one or the other tricky subject that leaves students full of doubts. Such doubts needs face-to-face interaction with faculty. Now these doubts merely ends up in some WhatsApp message or call. So this thing can never reach up to the level of doing the classes. फिर भी कुछ ना करने से कुछ करना ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है. और ये ऑनलाइन टीचिंग एजुकेशन सिस्टम के अंदर में वो रोशनी की तरह है जो स्टूडेंट्स को काफ़ी बेहतर रास्ता दिखा सकती है. जहाँ तक चैलेंजेस की बात है, चेंज योरसेल्फ according to
Well, right from the first human engineered the wheel, there always has been an unsettling desire amongst humankind to make the best out of the situation and embark upon the path of innovation. These people were nonetheless the engineers, with an itch to manifest new ideas and a longing to actualize the best outcome from the given resources. Engineers have survived it all and have embraced the adversities to innovate at every single step. Engineers today are still relentlessly working hard, whether it's teaching, learning, or innovating. The credit of this somewhat smooth transition of this pandemic situation somehow goes to them. How would we even considered surviving this pandemic without the internet after all? You see, problems will remain, but the best outcome will be a collective demise, because modern problems require modern solutions. अब आपदा आ ही गई है तो क्या ही करें, सह लेंगे थोड़ा. Let us become the prodigies and embrace the spirit of not just adjusting to this unfortunate demise, but adapting to it with a strong spirit.
So till now, we discussed the pros and cons of the online teaching methodology. But ये सब इतना smoothly चल पाया कैसे? It's only because of the dedication of our faculty members. And I must say, this situation makes them work even more by preparing various PPTs, lucrative notes, and even doubt solving via the online platform is difficult. But the attitude of our faculty members makes me recall a famous quote by Acharya Chanakya. शिक्षक कभी साधारण नहीं होते, प्रलय और निर्माण उनकी गोद में पलते हैं. A sudden transformation from the chalk and duster approach to the e-platform has been very well tackled by them. A big salute to such knowledge imparters. And I must say on this, kindly cooperate with your faculty members. क्योंकि ऐप को सीखकर हमको कंटेंट सिखाना काफ़ी मुश्किल होता है. From the bottom of my heart, I would like to thank all my faculty members for their constant moral support and their academic guidance.
Thank you is actually a very small word to express my gratitude towards you. Dear professors, we miss you more than your audio and video. Dear college, we miss you more than your sub lectures. Dear classroom के blackboard, I even miss you. हाँ, I know कि वो blackboard अब whiteboard से replace हो चुके हैं, पर वो chalk वाली बात इन मार्कर में कहा. I know कि कैंटीन की बॉर्नविटा अब लॉकडाउन की डालगोना से रिप्लेस हो रही है, पर इसमें वो दोस्तों के मिठास कहाँ. वो हर कॉलेज के बाद नुक्कड़ पे जाके चाय जो थकान उतारती थी, वो थकान डाइनिंग टेबल की चाय शायद कभी नहीं उतार सकती. Well, but as said, we are engineers and we know how to adapt. इसलिए अब इवेंट्स करने के लिए हम ऑडिटोरियम नहीं जा सकते, इसलिए वेबएक्स पे कर लेते हैं. वो हर लेक्चर के बाद किसी बहाने से शायद दोस्त के साथ गॉसिप शेयर अब नहीं हो सकती, इसलिए डुओ से ही एक दूसरे के हाल चाल पूछ लेते हैं. लाइब्रेरी जाके प्रोजेक्ट डिस्कस करना शायद अब पॉसिबल नहीं है, इसलिए गूगल मीट पे ही अब मिल लिया करते हैं. थिएटर तो नहीं जा सकते अब दोस्तों के साथ मूवी देखने के लिए, इसीलिए स्क्रीन शेयरिंग से ही पेट भर लेते हैं. काफ़ी फ़ायदे भी हुए हैं हमें इस लॉकडाउन में, जैसे कि अब 10:20 को उठ के 10:30 का लेक्चर पढ़ना पॉसिबल है. ब्रेकफास्ट अब कभी मिस नहीं होते. इनफैक्ट लंच पीरियड में हॉस्टल मेस के बाहर लंबी लाइन भी हमें नहीं लगानी पड़ती, और प्रोफेसर हमें डांटते भी नहीं हैं लेट होने पर. हाँ, पर शायद वही डांट कहीं ना कहीं हमें पंचर बनाती थी. टू बी फ्रैंक, टेक्नोलॉजी, टीचर्स एंड इवन स्टूडेंट्स ने कोई कमी नहीं रखी है ओरिजिनल सिचुएशन को सिमुलेट करने की और हमें नॉर्मल फील करने का. पर वो कहते हैं ना, गुलाब के इत्र की स्मेल में और गुलाब में थोड़ी सी फ़र्क तो रह ही जाएगी. वो फ़र्क बस इतना है कि पहले दिल करता था कॉलेज बंक करके घर आया और अब दिल करता है इसी घर को बंक करके कॉलेज जाए। Dear G said, we miss you.